Okay, class, I hope everyone already know how to differentiate the different types of business research
Based on purpose.
That is
I have a question. What if we know very little about the topic?
Let's explore our research.
Oh, it's like a saying. I don't know much yet. Let's investigate.
Yes.
Mom!
Yes.
But what if we already know the problem and just want to describe it?
Let's describe it.
Okay, so we describe things now.
That's easy, but what if I want to know one thing that causes another?
Bro, that's causal or explanatory. It has the cause and effect, like for example, does give a discounts, give increase of sales.
Exactly. So, any other question, class? Not so far now. Okay, that's all for today. Bye.
Thank you, Mom.
Gosh, I forgot to ask Mom regarding the research based on source.
Well, next meeting should ask her.
Hey guys, did I just hear you say something about research based on purpose? What about it?
Do you want to forgot to ask our teacher earlier about
Is your teacher Miss Dinostorias?
Yes.
We have the same teacher, and actually she mentioned it last time that if we do our own survey, it also we ask people directly that is a primary research.
And also guys, don't forget that if you're just using about data from articles or books, that is secondary research, okay?
Wow, that's very helpful. Thank you so much, guys.
Agree, because we have a fine output guys, and it will be business research.
You know what, guys? Just chill. We do have plenty of time, and let's eat first. Okay?
Let's go!
Hey, Ekta.
Hey guys, where are you going? We're about to eat lunch, but how about you guys?
The time to grab some coffee, you don't have this?
Really? Of course. Let's go. Let's go.
By the way, do you guys have business research too?
Yes, it's tired and exhausting.
Hey, how's your game, bro?
As usual, road to finals.
Hey, congratulations!
Thanks guys. By the way, are you willing to be our respondents to our research?
Sure, but what is your research about?
It's all about the average time spent on social media per day among teenagers.
So, it's quantitative research.
Yes, exactly. It's all about the average or numbers.
Then of course we're willing to be your respondent.
Sure, but as long as you help us too.
Yes, because actually our current research is about basketball, or to be exact, the experience of young athletes for competitive games.
Oh, and works, stories, meaning. So it's qualitative research.
Of course, I'll help you reach out to my teammates to be your respondents.
Oh, nice! Oh, see you later!
See you. Bye.
Sure, sure. You're welcome.